Why simple digital income works, even if you're starting over in your 60s or older. If you've ever thought starting something new at my age, I don't think I can, let me gently challenge that because that's happening right now in the world is actually creating a window of opportunity for people just like you and me. And the people who take advantage of it, they're not tech experts. I'm not. They're not influencers. They're not 20 something with perfect lives. They're just ordinary people, seniors, parents, retirees, and people rebuilding their lives from scratch. Stay with me. You need to hear this. I'm Holly. After 44 years in real estate, I rebuilt my entire life online in my 70s. Not because I wanted to, but because life actually forced me to. And what I discovered surprised me. Digital income is not about being techie, it's about being teachable, not about luck, but about simplicity and consistency. The truth, why simple digital income works now. Here's the part most people don't realize. For starters, the world is shifting toward digital everything: shopping, learning, earning, and people over 50 are now the fastest growing group online. Not because we love technology, but because we need options. Next, the traditional path is breaking down. Costs rising faster than Social Security, companies downsizing, families stretched so thin, retirements disappearing. And yet, income opportunities that used to require storefront staff or big, large investments now cost almost nothing to start. Another option: simple systems now do the heavy lifting. Automation templates, pre built tools. You no longer need to code, design, or be good at social media. You just need to follow a blueprint, stay consistent, let the system work for you and with you. That's why it works for seniors, why it works for busy parents, and why it works for anyone rebuilding their life. Think of digital income like growing a small herb garden. You don't plant it and get a full harvest overnight. Unfortunately, it doesn't happen. You water it, you give it sunlight, and you let it grow. At first, it's small, almost invisible. Then one day, you realize it's feeding you. That's amazing. Digital income works basically the same way: small steps, baby steps, simple actions, but over time, it becomes something that will and does support you. So let me ask you a real honest question. If something simple could bring even a small amount of extra income each month, now, would that change your stress level going into 2026? Would it give you breathing room, a little more security, a little bit more peace of mind? For most people, the answer is yes. You don't need to go big. Definitely don't need to. You don't need to reinvent your life. And you don't need to be perfect. I'm not. You just need a plan, one that fits your abilities, your lifestyle, your vision, and your energy. And that is absolutely 100% possible. It definitely is. Watch one of my other videos that continues this conversation You know, the link is below. It's called Feeling Stuck After 60. Here's what to do. There's the link. This next video connects directly to everything we've talked about in this video. If you're navigating life after 50, if you're rebuilding, if you want options instead of fear, subscribe. We walk this journey together here. You're not too old, and you're definitely not too late. You're simply at the beginning of your next chapter, too.